Hello and welcome to Arogya Vidya, your guide to feel, heal and nourish. Today I will tell you the health benefits of cumin or jeera water and the different ways to make and drink it. Before we move on to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Cumin water improves metabolism and stomach health. Regular consumption of cumin water combined with a healthy diet and exercise leads to weight loss. Cumin water also removes toxins from the body, hydrates the skin, relaxes the mind, relieves stomach problem, and cools the body. It is a diuretic which treats mild urine infection by improving the flow of urine. The first and easiest method to prepare cumin water. Simply mix half a teaspoon of cumin powder in a glass of hot water. When this is bearably hot, you can drink it. Drink this on an empty stomach to cure constipation, indigestion, stomach ache, bloating, remove toxins from the body, improve appetite and metabolism. It is best to leave a gap of 30 to 40 minutes between drinking this cumin water and having your breakfast. This gives enough time for this amazing detox water to work its magic. For best results, use fresh homemade cumin powder instead of using the store-bought one. The second method to prepare cumin water. Boil a glass of water. Then switch off the flame and add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds to this. Let the seeds steep in this water till the water becomes lukewarm. After that, strain and drink this water. This cumin water cures stomach problems like stomach ache, constipation, indigestion, bloating, loss of appetite, acidity, etc. It also detoxes the body and hydrates the skin, which improves our skin health. The third and the last method to make cumin water. Soak half a teaspoon of cumin seeds in a glass of water overnight or for at least 1 hour. If you are soaking the seeds for only 1 or 2 hours, then you can drink it either 30 minutes before or 30 minutes after a meal. However, if you are soaking it overnight, then drink the water on an empty stomach in the morning. If possible, chew the cumin seeds that remain at the bottom of the glass after drinking the cumin water. This cumin water has all the same benefits as the previous ones. Additionally, it cools the eyes, stomach and body. So, people who are pregnant or are prone to catching cold should drink cumin water prepared by the first or second method. You can also soak 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds, that is ajwain, along with the cumin seeds to avoid the cold problems. Alternatively, drink a glass of hot water 30 minutes after drinking this cumin water. Drinking 1 glass of cumin water a day is sufficient. If you don't like the taste of cumin water, you can add some lemon juice or honey to flavor it. Cumin tea, jeera rasam and the normal use of jeera in cooking can also provide you with similar benefits as cumin water. Although, to get maximum nutritional benefits from cumin seeds, do not overcook or burn them. I have discussed the health benefits and side effects of cumin seeds in another video. The link to that video is in the description box below. That's all for today. Like and share this video with your loved ones if you found it useful. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.